Good afternoon, it's Carolyn here from Waiheke Island down under in New Zealand. This video is going to be about how to fix a leggy succulent. This is Agave attenuata. It's one of the biggest succulents that we have in New Zealand. It's not native, it's an import, and you might have a succulent that has got a bit leggy, or maybe you want to move it and don't want to dig it out, or maybe you want to share part of it. So we're here today just moving this one, so we're taking it from here because it's got too big and putting it in a new home, and you'll see how we do it. So the first thing we're going to do is cut the stem of it. I'm just going to hold it here so it doesn't fall forward, hopefully. It's quite big, you can see it's quite big. Oh shit! Okay, she's down. Oh shit!